Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about ticker symbol OTRK for Ontrack, and I'm showing you the website because most of us normally we know about the ticker symbol, we love to trade, but we never look at the website. So anyway, I'm just showing you the website for Ontrack, but I'm not going through the website, just showing it anyway, by the way. So in this video, I will be talking about this Ontrack stock because it has a very low float. At the same time, it has a very high short interest, which always gives you the opportunity for having a short squeeze. So what are the price movement, what we can expect, and how we can use the information to get some profit, what is my support and what is my resistance, and especially in the red day we have seen in Friday, maybe next week will be also red. So can we use the information to get into the stock so we can all get benefit when the stock price will go higher? Just looking at the chart, we called for this option like when this stock when it was around $62. So this is not the very first time I'm talking about this stock. Like if you go to my channel, I think I made 1, 2, 3 videos on this OTRK stock, and I was saying like when it was $62 I said it will go up to like $80. When it was $83 I got out, then again I went in, then last time I think I got out again around $85, but oh man, it went up to like $100. It's coming down. So we all know that like all these stocks that has high short float interest, like high short interest, like they all ran up massively. So looking at the chart, you can see this stock is also very volatile because within a single day it can go from $80 to $95, $15. It can also come from $97 to $77, $20. So low float stock always moves a lot, either going up or going down. So there is always a risk, there is a volatility, but again, like if you enter at the right time, you can make a lot of profit. So last day we can saw a small green candle. Anyway, let's look at the Nasdaq website. Currently it has a strong buy rating with an average price target of 93, low of 82 and high of 110, and currently we are $78 I guess, or we in the aftermarket we are down as well, so we are below the low estimate. If we look at Yahoo, like the float is only 8.21, which is less than 10 million. We can call it a low float stock. Normally this kind of stock moves very rapidly. We can also look at the shortsqueeze.com. We can look at the short percentage of float is 42%. At the same time, short interest ratio is 6.8. Normally when the days to cover is like between 6 to 8 is good. When it is more than 10, better. The higher the better, right? I also checked the same information from finviz.com and I got almost the same, like 6.7 short ratio, and the float is 42.57. I checked Nasdaq. The latest data we have is 15th of January and days to cover is now 9.34, and you can see how the days to cover has changed, and I can see that since November days to cover has increased, which is good, right? Okay, the other thing I want to mention, most of you already know about like the Robinhood app. It has, I think they have a list of 30 or 50 stock, like if there is a limit order, right? And when I scroll through the list, I did not see OTRK, and meaning that still there is no restriction on OTRK stock. It does not mean that there is no restriction and people will jump and they will start using they will start like hyping that particular stock, but this is there. Just wanted to show you that there is no restriction, so still people can buy and sell easily with this particular stock. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to show, the last trading day, which was Friday, when we started the day we were very high. We came down all the way to like 76, 75, and then during the whole day it was like, well, almost stable, even though we found that like from, I think from the midday, like all the stocks started going down, but this stock was holding the price, and you can see that is important support 75.5. that support is a very good support. So in coming week, if the stock can hold 75, it is good. If not, it can come even further with the overall market. So looking at the chart, let's zoom. We can always see like it went up to $100. That's good. So the blue two lines, these are the two lines I will be watching. There are some other support line, you can take a note, but if it becomes below $75, it can come even more. And there is another support which is around $70. Previously we have seen that at $70 it bounced back and then it went up. Now Friday it came to 75. Here you can see some other candles here. So 75, it can bounce back or it might come up to $70. So I will just wait till it comes more. I think if it comes to 70, I might start a position, or if I see it is bouncing back next week, I might start a position. Now how can we play? Should we play with the stock or should we play with option? I want to remind you again, this stock is very volatile. Options are high risk, high reward type of thing. If you believe in this company, their earning is coming, I think 18th of March, and I have shown you the price estimate for this stock. If you buy this share, that's great. You can buy around this price. If it comes down, you can always average down. On the other hand, if you want to play with option, let's look at February 19th option price. Keep a note that the implied volatility is 125%. And always between the bid and ask there is a big difference, like $200, $400, $100. So if you think by February 19th the stock will go like, let's say $90, the premium is very high, $500. If you think $100, the premium is $300, so very high. The earning is, I think, mid-March. If you look at March 19th, the premium even for 100 is $700. This is a lot of money. So it's up to you. The short, if you're playing with short squeeze, then maybe February 19th is a good strike price, a good expiry date. If the stock price, if you see it's going up, maybe you can enter at 19, 100, whatever you want, and you can just ride the wave. Once you hit a certain percentage of profit, just get out from the stock. Otherwise, let's say the stock price will come from 75 to $70, so another $5 less. So in that case, maybe we will see a premium of like $600 at the money. So it will see the change, like, so $5 less, you might see a premium decrease like $300 to $400. So anyway, I might not play with option unless I see the stock price comes to like 70 or even $66 or even lower. So again, this is another potential candidate for a short squeeze. So keep an eye, look at the support and resistance, and let me know what are you thinking about this stock. Are you holding this stock? Do you have option? Do you have a stock? And if you have any comment, please leave your comments in the comment box. And as usual, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So have a good evening. Take care, my friends. Peace.